The Sea to Sky Highway is one of the most scenic drives in Canada, with plenty of stops for sightseeing, hiking, and exploring. The drive from Vancouver to Whistler along the Sea to Sky Highway takes about 2 hours, covering 120 kilometers of stunning coastal and mountain scenery. Starting from West Vancouver, we take the Trans-Canada Highway west and merge onto Highway 99, heading north towards Squamish and Whistler. Just 20 minutes from downtown Vancouver and before the merge onto the Sea to Sky Highway, Horseshoe Bay is a busy ferry terminal with routes to the Sunshine Coast and Vancouver Island. Nearby, White Cliff Park is a great spot for a quick stop, offering rocky shores, ocean views, and a small beach popular for diving. Past Horseshoe Bay, we merge onto the Sea to Sky Highway, which has lots of twists and turns along the way and requires winter tires during the winter months. About 40 minutes from Vancouver, Porteau Cove is a scenic waterfront park with a long pier, campsites, and excellent views of Howe Sound. It's a popular spot for diving, picnics, and watching sunsets over the mountains. Next, Britannia Beach with the historic Britannia Mine Museum offers a look at British Columbia's mining past. Visitors can tour the old copper mine, ride a mining train, and learn about the industry that once dominated this region. Just before Squamish, Murrin Provincial Park features Browning Lake, a small but picturesque swimming spot surrounded by cliffs. The park also has hiking trails, including a steep but rewarding climb to the Quercus viewpoint for panoramic views. A short drive north, Shannon Falls is one of British Columbia's tallest waterfalls, dropping 335 meters. A quick 5-minute walk from the parking lot leads to the base of the falls, making this an easy and impressive stop. Squamish is known as the outdoor recreation capital of Canada. Highlights include the Sky Gondola, which takes visitors up to panoramic views, and the Squamish Chief, a massive granite rock popular for hiking and climbing. In winter, bald eagles gather along the Squamish River to feed on salmon. Once past Squamish, we stop at a couple of viewpoints, including the Tantalus summit, then to Brandywine Falls, which drops 66 meters into a deep canyon. A short, well-maintained trail leads to a viewing platform overlooking the falls, with additional paths to Daisy Lake and the surrounding forest. As we near Whistler, the landscape shifts to alpine forests and mountain peaks. The first area you'll reach is Function Junction, home to breweries, shops, and local businesses. Next is Creekside, Whistler's original ski base with hotels, restaurants, and gondola access. Finally, Whistler Village is the main hub, filled with shops, restaurants, and the iconic peak-to-peak gondola connecting Whistler and Blackcomb Mountains. Once you get to the village, you can proceed to the main parking areas for day use, which can get full quickly during peak seasons, so get there early. And you can then do the short walk to the village, which is pedestrian-friendly, with plenty of dining, shopping, and outdoor adventure options. Whistler offers year-round activities, from skiing and snowboarding in winter to mountain biking and hiking in summer. Whether you're heading to Whistler for adventure or just taking in the views, this route delivers unforgettable landscapes at every turn. If you liked this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.